Hello, Theme Park Review. We've been invited out to Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom, and today we're going to ride all 4 of the roller coasters here at the park. We're going to see a brand new show, and we're also going to get to meet Mickey and Minnie in their awesome new celebration costumes. All right, so our first roller coaster of Magic Kingdom today is going to be Big Thunder Mountain Railroad.
So there's still 2 of them. Where mine?
Any of you folks are wearing hats or things, best remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness!
Alright, here we are on Big Thunder Mountain. Still one of my favorite roller coasters of all Disney parks. See ya! Here we go, into the darkness. Funky bit. All right, ready everyone? Funky bit. Funky bit through the town. Whew. All right. I do love the view that you can get from this lift hill. Watch you sort of climb up, you can see the castle in the background, the rest of the coaster, it's awesome. All right kids, here we go. Don't try this at home. Whee! Oh, this never gets old. Moment. Be sure to give us a big thumbs up or post in the comments below if you love Big Thunder Mountain. Hello, Steamboat. Oh, so awesome. Like I said, if you love Big Thunder Mountain, give us a thumbs up, post in the comments below, and come out and ride it. Okay, we're going to be off to roller coaster number 2 here in a moment. So it was Big Thunder Mountain, our very first roller coaster of the day here at Magic Kingdom. We're gonna head over to 7 Dwarfs Mine Train now for roller coaster number 2. So we're about to do 7 Dwarfs Mine Train as roller coaster number 2 here at Magic Kingdom. Hello, how's it going? Good, how are you? All right, here we go in 7 Dwarfs Mine Train. I kind of love this little dip out of the stage. Woo! Oh! It does take you by surprise. Alright guys, so I think this might have even been one of the world's first swinging roller coasters. You'll see that the trains actually swing as we go around turns. It's different from like those old Aero suspended coasters that swung. See, look, here we are swinging a little bit. And then of course we have the awesome little dark ride part here. Hit 'em all right. It's up the lift we go. Hi-ho, hi-ho. It's up the lift we go. That's not actually what they're singing. That's my version of it. Here we go. Whee! Smile for the camera. Oh! Swing! And swing! Whee! Oh! So much fun. Alright, here's the Seven Dwarfs cottage. Little fun fact about this is that some of the characters that are inside here are from the old Snow White Scary Adventure attraction that used to be here at Disney World. Not the dancing ones, but the rest of the set, I believe, is all from that old attraction. There she's dancing. See you later, Mine Train. Alright, here we go. See if you can catch a glimpse of the witch right here at the end. There she is. Awesome ride, I love it. So let's go do roller coaster number 3, Barnstormer. Roller coaster number 3 here at Magic Kingdom, Barnstormer! Alright everybody, here we go on the Barnstormer. This is certainly the youngest of all of the roller coasters here at Magic Kingdom, meaning made for the younger kids, but it's still a lot of fun. Here we go! A lot of screaming. Oh! Crashing through the side. Oh! So much fun. Short, simple, but very quick and fast. Here we are, roller coaster number 4 today, Space Mountain. But did we save the best for last? Tell us in the comments below what your favorite roller coaster is here at Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom. All right, here we go. We're about to board Space Mountain. Here we go. I will warn everybody it's going to get dark here momentarily, but I do have a night shot on my camera, so we'll give that a try. All right. Into the blue tunnel! Whee! Gotta love me some blue tunnel! All right, everyone, smile for the camera! do you like better, blue tunnel or red tunnel? Tell us in the comments. And that is Space Mountain, and we love it, and it is awesome.
Docking crew, stand by to initiate unload procedures.
And here we go, unloading procedures. That is one happy rider. So that's all 4 roller coasters here at Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom. Which one did you like the best? Which one would you want to ride over and over again? Be sure to tell us down below in the comments. So now we're gonna go meet Mickey and Minnie in their brand new celebration costumes, and then we're gonna go see the new show, Move It, Shake It, MousekeDance It. Oh my gosh, Mickey and Minnie, you guys look fantastic. All right, I wanna check out the celebration costumes. Look at that. Give us a twirl. Oh, I love it. And it's 90th birthday for both of you guys, right? You guys don't look a day over 26. You look fantastic. Can I get a picture with you guys? All right, let's do this.
Show us your move. Welcome to the party, it's the time of the year. All our friends invited, so it's starting this year.
Step into the street and watch the day get active. Step your thing strong with the lights flashing.
So all my fellas are ready.
All my ladies are with me.
I'm looking dapper for the party.
Walking it pretty, I got the DJ spinning and it's filling the room.
If it's me and you chillin', it's a trip to the moon.
MousekeDance It. Welcome to the Move It, Shake It, MousekeDance It street party. Are y'all ready to have some fun?
Awesome day we had here at Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom. We rode 4 roller coasters. We saw Mickey and Minnie in their brand new celebration costumes. We even saw a new show. It was incredible. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Be sure to post a comment in the comment section below. Give us the thumbs up and see you real soon.